guys, I'm back with another video.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe.
So for today's video is a film video, pero this time yung video na to has more than one slow-mo. So bear with me. Types of slow-mo na ipapakita ko for today are smooth slow-mo, wave slow-mo, transition slow-mo, and no hands slow-mo. First thing that I'll be showing you is the wave transition. So, okay, if you don't know the wave, ito, papakita ko sa inyo guys. So first, we're gonna hold the hold button until dumating yung part na may beat drop or may drop. Then, we'll switch off sa 0.5 na slow-mo. Pero, yung hand natin, it's gonna be, we're gonna shake. Hindi yung super loose na shake, but yung steady na shake. Para maganda yung transition. It's not the best illustration, pero ayun. So for this one is the smooth transition, yung parang times 2 siya and then magiging slow-mo siya bigla. So ito, for me I find this really hard. So ewan ko sa inyo. Start with times 2 and then lipat ng 0.5. As much as possible, don't move for this kasi nga smooth nga siya. So usually for me, what works for me is I use my both hands pagka ginagamit. So I can just switch off sa 0.5 habang my right finger or right thumb finger is holding on to the hold button. So ayun. So the trick here is that before pa mag-drop yung slow-mo part, like onting-onti, mag-stop kayo before that and then switch to 0.5 mode and then ayun na. And then yung transition is when you do hanji and then bigla kang magta-transition into a slow-mo. So, yung transition na gagamitin ko for today is yung spin. Then now, tatayo ako for this one. Since spin yung transition natin, we'll start dito sa halfway na pa horizontal. Actually, I usually start dito sa parang, if you think of clock, no? Mag-start ako sa number 2. So, ayan. Or 3. Ulit. So, since ang pangit niyang tignan, I'm gonna start sa number 3. So, ayan. And then, lastly, is yung no hand slow-mo. So, ayan yan. Yun yung song. So, kailangan mo lang siyang i-memorize, or if you have another phone or device, you can transfer isave nyo yung video and then transfer it while playing it sa background, then that would be useful too. That's what I used to do kung napanood nyo yung Musical.ly tutorial ko on how to do no hand slow-mo. Then, ayun. Pero, for this one, I'm just gonna memorize yung lyrics. So, I'm just gonna wing yung, whatever. Okay. So, sa slow-mo, yan. Makita nyo na, guys. And, since nasa slow-mo tayo, ito kasi hindi siya nagpo-focus pagka slow-mo. So, ang hirap niyang hawakan. Make sure na may surface tayo na pagpapatungan ng phone. Then, space para dun sa slow-mo natin. It goes like do, re, mi, fa, so, girl. Yan. So, make sure na nagre-record tayo, no? Okay. So, yan. It go like do, re, mi, fa, so. And then this part is when you edit the video. Kung nakikita nyo to, guys, itong move ko, yan yung slow-mo part. So, mag-start tayo dun kung saan ko lip na ganyan. Then, yun yung magiging slow-mo part. Then, the rest is i-delete na lang natin. And then, save as new file. Then, we'll go sa TikTok. And we actually have to save yung audio. So, magsasave lang ako. So, sinave ko lang yung first na video. It doesn't really matter. Basta makuha natin yung audio. Then, go to iMovie. Then, we'll use this. And then, yung audio. Video convert sa audio. And then, mute natin to. Okay. Okay, so i-edit ko yung part na yon sa mismong video. So we'll say right here. And then, restart natin siya. So, yan, hanggang doon. Then, we're gonna split it up. So, ayun. Sorry guys, minamadali ko na to. Then, save. Lobat na yung camera ko. And then, go to... Wait, try kong upload sa TikTok. Then, upload sa TikTok. Then, I'll go dito sa InShot. Then, select yung video. Then, canvas into TikTok. So, ayan. Then remove, and then save. Yan. You can do so much better. Pero ako, since it's just a tutorial, so, ayan, hanggang dun lang yun, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo and naging clarification na tong video na to dun sa smooth transition tutorial ko. And, ayan. And kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to give this a video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to comment down there below kung anong gusto niyo makita. I hope I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!